Alright, so I just cut the little tab off. I almost cut my finger off. Alright, so let's see what's in here. Ooh. Everything's shiny. Wow. Alright. That's pretty good. Yeah, figures everything's locked in. Wow. This is some heavy duty ratchet. Great finish. I think the little ratchets are my favorite. Yeah. But yeah, like I was saying, if you get a tool allowance, it's good quality. If you get a tool allowance, you should definitely use it, whether you need it or not. Buy.